Interest rates for student loans could double this summer if lawmakers do not act quickly.
Legislation that set the current interest rate of 3.4% will expire in July, triggering an automatic increase to 6.8%.
KRCG 13's Juliette Dreyer looks at a proposed solution.
Missouri Senator Claire McCaskill visited the MU campus this afternoon for a roundtable discussion with students concerned about the potential for paying more.
Hi, nice to see you.
Students from Mizzou's graduate and undergraduate programs gathered to share their thoughts and concerns about student loans. Senator Claire McCaskill is a co-sponsor of the Bank on Student Loan Fairness Act, which would set the interest rate for federally subsidized Stafford loans equal to the rates big banks get when they take out loans. Right now, banks are offered an interest rate of just 0.75%.
If we are making it easy for financial institutions to access capital that belongs to the United States, we ought to try to make it as easy for students to access capital that belongs to the United States.
McCaskill also voiced her disapproval of a measure passed by the Republican-led House that would allow the loan interest rates to vary from year to year.
When a young person is taking out a loan to get a higher education, they want to be able to plan. What is that loan going to cost them? And I think if you don't know for sure what it's going to cost you, that might be a deterrent for some young people actually even agreeing to take out the loan.
Senator Roy Blunt told KRCG 13 in a written statement, "We can all agree that every young American should have the opportunity to achieve a college education." While President Obama appears more interested in staging campaign-style events to stir up partisan divisions in Washington, I believe we should work together to achieve a bipartisan, common-sense solution that will provide permanent reform to help young Americans avoid a higher interest rate on their student loans. The grad students around the table voiced their concerns about their own loan interest rates, which wouldn't be helped by McCaskill's proposal.
Legislators in Washington feel that 6.8% is too high for undergraduate students, but don't see how that's a little bit hypocritical because we are already paying 6.8%. And we're having to pay more to get our degrees because professional credits are often 2 to 3 times more expensive as undergraduate credits.
McCaskill vowed to the group to bring those concerns back to Washington.
If we're going to compete globally, we have to make sure that even that next degree is possible for young people who don't have the financial resources to fund it.
For the 2013-2014 school year, an estimated 157,000 Missouri students will receive subsidized Stafford loans. President Obama tomorrow is expected to urge lawmakers to find a solution to the student loan issue and prevent the interest rate hike.